Yo, what's up, people? Welcome to my project demo on CardQuest, which is a flashcard application I created. So this application is, as I said, a flashcard application that I created, and it's extremely minimalist, and it basically has very little functionality as of now. But I wanted to create this video to kind of document my progress over a period of time on this project, and hopefully I'll make many more additions to this project. My final goal with this project is to hopefully make it as good as Anki. As of now, it is not even close, but I wanted to make this video to see how this project grows. That stated, I want to show how you can install and use this application on your computer. So the first thing you have to do is install Java, which I'll leave a link in the description on how to do, whether you're using Mac OS or Windows. And once you have that installed, go to the first link in the description, and there's a GitHub link which contains all the files in this project. So once you open that up, it should look something like this. So on the right side, you're gonna have this tab called releases. So you can go ahead and click on that, and then you'll have the list of releases. So if there are any newer releases, as of now, version 0.0.1 is the first release. But if there are any newer releases, they will show up on top. So you can go ahead and download this file, which is the cardquest.java file. If you click on the releases tab, go ahead, click download on that, and it will download the cardquest.java file, which contains the program for this application. And now once you have the cardquest.java file downloaded, what I want you to do is open up your terminal. Now if you're in Windows, this might be different, I'm not sure, but you should be able to look up a video for this. Firstly, you want to change to the directory where you have your cardquest.java file downloaded, which is usually in the downloads folder if you just downloaded it. What I recommend doing if you just have no idea how a terminal works is type cd and then put a space and then drag and drop that into your terminal, and then backspace on cardquest.java, and then click enter, and that should be fine. And now to run the application, you have to type java and then -jar cardquest.java. Now once you click enter, it opens up the application. So here is the application. As you can see, it is a very not visually appealing interface, but it is fully functional, I swear. Well, hopefully it is, unless you guys find some bugs. But as you can see, as of now, there are just 3 functions. So you have art card, practice, and delete card. So let's just go ahead and add a bunch of cards. Let's just type C++, inferior programming language, card successfully added. And now let's go ahead and add Java, which is superior programming language, right? And now we have 2 cards. And if I go ahead and click practice, I can go ahead, click start, and now this starts like my practice session. The first thing you see is the front of the card, which over here is C++, and it said it's an inferior programming language. And then if I click show, you can see the back of the card. Then once you click next, it moves on to the next card, and then it shows the front of the card, and click show, shows the back of the card, click next. If you're done with all the cards, I'll say you finished all your cards. If you have more cards, I'll keep displaying all your cards until you're done with all your cards, and then I'll say you finished all your cards. And once you click OK, it'll go back to the application. As you can see, it has very minimal functionality, but it works, which is why this is release 0.0.1. Hopefully once I have like a decently well-functioning UI and a few other features, I'll be able to make like a version 1 beta release. Alright, last functionality, which is delete card. I can just go ahead and type the front of the card, or whatever string I type for the front of the card. If I click OK, it says card successfully deleted, and once I go to practice, it does not show up anymore. So yeah, that's basically all the functionality I've implemented for CardQuest. I hope you guys use this if you have like any use for it. I don't see anyone using it as of now, just because Anki is so much better. But if you guys can test this, and if you guys want to help me out, please go ahead and do so, because this is completely open source. I have everything on GitHub. So if you have any changes you'd like to implement, just go ahead and fork the repository. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I don't think anyone's come this far, so if you have, I love you, and goodbye.